Hi, it's Amy, and today we're going to do some foil stars using the Neo products. Enjoy! So I've laid down 2 coats of the Nude Pink Shy Time as my base colour here, with some serious black on the back of a form, and with the 002 brush I'm going to load our brush up and start drawing. I'm going to try and get a few stars on each finger but without overcrowding it. Pop that hand in for 60 seconds because it's on black. Then once they're out, we've got our foil. I'm going to use this foil because it's got 4 different colours on there. And I'm going to just press that on to the black. And then when we're happy with that, give it a little dust for any excess. And I'm going to go in with Mega Gloss. It's nice and shiny. And then once you're happy with that, pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then when they're out the lamp, give them a second to cool off, and we're going to go in with Pink Pineapple Cuticle Oil, and we're going to rehydrate those cuticles. And there you have it, a nice foil star design. Nice, quick, simple and easy. All the products that we've used today will be listed in the description box below. If you've liked this video, please give us a like and feel free to leave us a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye!